Political parties has always played a vital role in all democracies around the world, and Ghana is no exception. So we've gathered here for a very special occasion. And now you see a muhey, yes, now better na ya ankran bi upon to us. But and you see a muhey a yes Amanyukuo baako a ewe ye kromu a ye nyina ye nim MPP for ena ato nsafre yen se ene womo edi dwuma sonko ede abo womo amanyukuo no ata won wanchi eno nti wa ato nsafre yen. We are very happy to be part of this program. Those of you on my right hand corner here, please serve yourself. Please. Thank you. Baby, I have for your mom, ready, a money, you have to see. I am not want him for. I'm not want him for another way, you pay me. I wore your coat, now you want to see her. And I won't follow. I know young ever was maintenance. Thank you. Ghana, you will be big I'm a prayer to not say, I'm a prayer to not MPP Denmark, Monio, my dear. This is, I believe, more second fundraiser dinner dance. I think that this is probably the best that we have actually witnessed. But as I would like to introduce some few branches. Branches are Mashada Atumonsa Afrewo. Them are for Mohana. Copenhagen Moha. Right, I think the first branch I'm from you better recognize them so much. Yeah, hungry for more. Mommy, team with the good. So, Mama, we share. And then they show love to you. Sweet for more. I'm most team now. Right, the next one, so Germany, yeah, next door neighbors. Yeah, I must say, so my right. Things that it was no more at all, quite a few branches. There were Austria, so Austria for more. More will not be who's a more. Right. After so twice now, so the branches and also actually no. I think that I cannot forget say there were NDC for more so more almost so twice now Spain MPP Spain more MPP Spain so international MPP Denmark Moho Ewodo my invited very quite a lot of branches are almost all about the time I also had this information about the time and somebody because it's not just dinner, it's a dinner fundraiser. You know, there will be some prizes to be won. You know, if there's a best dressed women, best dressed man in the house, there is a prize to be won. It's say one share so out to be friend now for Uber. Mr. Mara, Finland, MPP Finland. Uber and so I was said there, and so the envelope CB. One thing that my boss always says is the main special guest is not the people that sit at the high table. It's not to be special. So leadership is to serve. So we are the special guests and they are the people serving us, as they say. And in effect, the dilemma opinion on also I introduce a handful.
Yo, many are crying with us. Sabre, me come to my damn white dinner, Yantuaso. You may dear to say I am for. Yeni won wo ha wo mudi empani di bre e wo ye krom etu anan aba ebe bo adwumadie ama adwumadie awie peye na nan bo di kan achia afebeu na wo matna ase enu ti na e wo se mo hu na nan won a e wo ha eni obia edi bre Nana, where the Srema come, many some celebrity. Oh, Diana, or my home, an idiom, yes, somewhere. Nana, Mama, so Abraham, an idiom, somewhere. Now, Mama, you, now Anka, now would be, I will be here and Panic, a woman, yes, somewhere, idiom. I let them graduate put the first. And of Adansi Ayasi, Nana Yawapaba. Nana prepared people by the big kind, or also a supine Adansi Ayasi. And now, Otuaso, Nana Betty Okoto, or Brepon, I don't think Nana Yadoma Kenten, Yadoma Kenten, oh, Coleman, Fahine, aha, Nana Boafua, a Pida of Bahima, and Mabu, Central Region, Yamawa, Akaba, and Mawapaba. Nana Boafua, of Sunan Sa. A year or two also, wɔte kɔkɔɔ soɔ na ɔsi a ɔwɔ yɛn ntɛm ha ɔno a ɛnɛ bibi esi kwan otumi amba ɛnu ti wɔyi nana awatema ɛyɛ nana apɔmɔbi akoko ti ma nana awatema ɛyɛ ɔbaa nana yɛ kyerɛ oyi akwan si kɔngo aha ɔno nso ɛna ɛyɛ wapa no ɛna ɛyɛ n'ekyiame a nana apɔmɔbi akoko ekyiame nana owusu ɔbio ɔno nso ɛna pɛgya ne nsa no nana no yɛ gyina NPP for ɛne akɔkɔ n'afɔ a ɛwɔ ha nyinaa anam. We say you are most welcome. Yamama kwa ababio nana no. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of MPP Denmark and all the other delegates from different countries which have been introduced, I wish to say you are most welcome. Honorable Abayamon Penifua, also Moha, the Damase MPP for my idea, Sabre, Kofi, Fajumba, Kukemuma, Nafe, the Atuasono. Yadamase. We are Sibia political parties. Edi akoten se democracy ebenya na soa na ejina political party. Political party nso enyina so eye sikasem. Enunti eha ye wo ene. We are going to make money for NPP. Me just say you can't hear what them higher we are close to 200. Ghana you were 279 constituencies. In Tinipam Nubia if you 2000 my constituency by Kubia say 2020 you have born baby you will be the chairman of MPP Denmark. The chairman of MPP Bonsem Machaman.
Thank you. Before I give my address, I would like to introduce the executive team of MPP Denmark, those who help me manage MPP Denmark. Vice Chairman, Mr. Ahmed and Kibuako. Tell me wherever you are, tell me how to see you. Vice Chairman, but I will put down some year show, put down say ye.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now.
Secretary Paul Pinamaiche, where are you?
Me brought for Papa. MPP ni ane brought from Kano na wanko Basel School.
Treasurer, Kwesi Ampem Bafum.
Hey, I know. Thank you very much.
Organizer, Babies Owusu Bempa. Deputy Youth Organizer, Akosia Ajapuma Chiramanten.
Asil de Wakakra. Thank you.
Coordinator, Mr. Edo Champo.
Nasra Coordinator. Malam,
Women Organizer, Acting, Sister Ivy Asara.
Women's Organizer. Onoso Pabana Adadano. Thank you.
Mr. Mensa Murphy.
Communication Director. I'm there. Original Tintin.
Welfare Committee Chairperson, Auntie Sheila Ohine.
Auntie Sheila Ohine. Bonseman, Auntie Sheila Bons.
Mr. Samuel Agbesi.
Mr. Samuel Agbesi.
And Research Director, Dr. Nkansa, Andrew Nkansa.
Dr. Nkansa. Doctor, Bonsema Dr.
And besides these, we have two strong patrons who are behind us. One is Mr. Krisla Krasachi, the founding chairman. And the immediate past chairman, my predecessor. And of course, I can't do without the first secretary, Mr. Victor Bosie Boatin. Please come up here.
Mr. Bosie Boatin. Hey. Short. Hey.
Yeah, of course the president is short, so it's no surprise. Thank you, my fellow executive. Have a seat.
My dear, send your way to Tiano. Bobro so ya tintin kama. And a day moye teens and some pom. Now you teacher, I want this place to be as quiet as the cemetery.
Your Excellency, Mrs. Amelia Olebu, Ewuasamoah, Ghana's ambassador to Denmark, national party leaders and government appointees, representatives of our sister external branches, Nananum, representatives of various Ghanaian groups and associations, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Executive Committee and members of MPP Denmark, I welcome you all to tonight's special event. I would like to especially thank Her Excellency, the Ambassador, for graciously accepting to be the guest of honor this evening. Indeed, she has been our backbone since her arrival in Denmark, and took active interest in this program by guiding and supporting us throughout the planning and preparation stages. I also thank our national party leaders and government appointees who have come all the way from Ghana to grace tonight's event. I'm grateful to every one of you for coming from far and near to be here with us. MPP Denmark really appreciate your presence here tonight. As most of us are aware, the MPP as a political party seeks to create a climate that enhances personal freedom and responsibility, enables private enterprises to thrive, promote human rights, and advance democratic systems of government. If Ghana will truly develop, if we adhere to and promote these ideas for a sustained period of time in the country. MPP Denmark was formed to attract like-minded Ghanaians living in Denmark to promote these noble ideals in the motherland, as well as to seek to our welfare, our collective welfare in Denmark. We have come a long way from our humble beginnings, when a few men and women under the leadership of Mr. Krasachi joined hands in 2011 to form this branch which was subsequently approved by the mother party and later inaugurated by the then General Secretary, Mr. Kojo Osuafuye, also known as Sir John. I must, however, acknowledge that prior to this, there have been some attempt to form NPP branch, with that, although not successful. Permit me to acknowledge a few of the men and women who helped form NPP Denmark as it is today. One, Mr. Kisla Prasechi, as we heard from you. Can you raise your hands again here? Mr. Lawrence Ashon. Mr. Victor Bosse Boateng. Auntie Abiba of pleasant memory. Mr. Frederick Amwakon Daddy. Auntie Sheila Ohine. Sister Doris Mensah. Nana Edu Podjo, Mr. Paul Pinamache, Mr. Kojo Yehua, my good self, and of course some few others I cannot really regularly recollect. NPP Denmark is very grateful to these aforementioned patrons. Tons of gratitude also goes to all members of NPP Denmark for the hard work and commitment that have ensured the branch's survival and growth. We have grown from strength to strength since our inauguration in 2011. We were able to make modest contributions to the mother party in both 2012 and 2016 elections. In the run-up to 2016 elections, NPP Denmark was allotted 2 constituencies, Abdekma Central and Sisala East, that were then held by our opponent, the NDC, to adapt. We duly adapted them. And I'm proud to say that we, with our assistance, those 2 parliamentary seats were won from our opponents. Thank you. Having said that, we are under no illusion of what lies ahead of us as a branch. We are far from our desired goal of being a vibrant, strong, vibrant, and influential branch. Much work needs to be done to reach our potential. To this end, tonight's launching of our Women's Wing will mark an important milestone in the young history of NPP Denmark. It is an important step towards our desired goal. I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the role by our sister Ruth Newman, who pushed the idea of forming Women's Wing. And I also like to acknowledge Sister Ivy Asari, Acting Women's Organizer, for working for championing the organization and effort that has led to tonight's program. It's an integral part of the mother party and all its major branches. This is understandable given the important roles women have played in our party's tradition. A well-organized women's wing can only make NPP Denmark stronger and more vibrant. NPP Denmark is now a well-established branch party with a growing membership. I will therefore urge everyone here who lives in Denmark and is not yet a member to register and join us tonight. Together we can deploy our various talents and resources to help improve Ghana. Thankfully, the President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, skills and resources that we Ghanaians living abroad possess, and is very determined to fully engage us to meaningfully contribute to his grand vision of Ghana Vision 8. For our friends here who may not believe in the ideals of the NPP, we need you too. We welcome your advice, your suggestions, and more importantly, your critiques to hold the government in check. Let us dialogue, let us compromise, let us cooperate for the betterment of Ghana. We all want a Ghana that works for everyone. Let us join hands to massively and positively impact on our motherland. Thank you all once again for coming and have a great evening. Kukrudu! Kukrudu! Kukrudu!
When we talk about NPP, say about NPP dia, NPP NPP, we can trace the history back to 65 years Go.
Welfare committee members, yes, some conversation. So please, I would like to acknowledge these two persons. The chairperson for the welfare committee was Auntie Sheila Wahine, and the other Mama Sheila, you more. Mama she. And Rita Abduma Anahima.
Mr. Mara, Youth Employment Agency, I think your friend Okumkom, not just because of a nickname, but I think that the youth actually sees great deal in him. So they call him Okumkom as a mark of what he's been doing, the good work that he has been doing for the youth. And as such, he's a lawyer by profession. He is called Justin Frimpong Kodia Okumkom.
Your Excellency, Madam Ambassador, Nanamo Hotel Kunyam, a national organizer, Boys Address Amioku, and Namia Mofa, Honorable Asabi, Director General, SIGA. A constituency chairman, constituency chairman. Yeah, branch chairman, Denmark, and Denmark Penifona, Mamunina Maju. And that day is a Muhumuaha, a national organizer, and a Kasemba could be chairman. Was who took my Denmark, na Denmark party no, or more fundraising, and after so, a moment's rings, so more than it. Na me po party na wo aban na aban na wo party enti mesin ko jana na so bo eja party na wo aban the party na wo aban dia enne meba na ma ba kadem afo ama program ma dwuje ko so tie ba ya ina e ba bo mo chidon na media ni e ba bedino na wi peye na so se de ma ba de na Nkuma nasa no me ekoso Ghana no enkaka ye ya madaroma mompaibo osika mode beboae 2016 munua mo mamo amutu omofo so monto abama NPP na nti 2016 se sai bae no dese mamo hu adwuma ayedi wo Ghana ye nyina yim se ebra 2016 yekoto abano na oman na no modern pa interest rate elkosro inflation ene emebru do omo Ghana na omo edumasem ayeti amo esisa bae no omo pina na dan ko kufuaji ene MPP aban efie miensa tumedi ya ye 8 years NDC omo ismaye the chairman said this before. Now before 2016, not doing so and I say no. Chairman me boy. Near now to do say before 2016, that's year 2017. Next for teacher training allowance, year from me boy. Now I buy Jumam. The Sombia to us say, "Young funny power management." Yet now the two say before 2017, Ghana, ya was high now. The two say before 2017, not Ghana, yet cancel here on man's cancel city in and this 6 months, I now do so in free. I think 2017. I think 2017. I said, I want 17. na eni wono ye di buy me boa Kukudu mama nya mwa NDC omo timenye obi ya so anom sai cheche so to ayampia ediem yesha aban abakọ Ghana na NDC so mo ye social democrat na so ye pa aban a edi social intervention saba Ghana ye pipi aban chairman ya yedie yese bakope wonka ade social intervention bakopa NDC pa etimi di abagana health insurance how they buy metro mass transport how they buy free senior high school how they buy cocoa mass spray how they buy we pebwa na debia mwasemi ya meka choboy meseka 2008 ebra na abnomo papa nyakopon na yerakofo so na Ghana nya oyo ebra yeko 2008 na Ghana isika semagina na ye middle income status free happy onya bubro a ye ba middle income status 2008 na ofia ya na den time o Ghana ofia na bank for ba o se beje busia mokai o ka so ni nsu bi o so there be economy ni ye efise ma busia na obetima twia saka MPP to aso 2009 ebe pay 2017 aka Ghana ke ku enu se esisa bi ba ya ankoli na se Ghana eduma papa yera kofo ye ya 8 years ya no mbese na yes establish asibi and then no ka say baby a Ghana won ya ku ye chia akwa kodu baby a 2003 2004 asem and then me no ka say ebra NDC free so Ghana you go for it then number 2.5 and then me no ka say you go for it then number 7%. Meno kase o hye ewiasim adwuma kase finance institution o wiasim ya e kase Ghana economy no positive outlook first no na your economy no negative outlook there's normally be a caution agree economy negative 2.5%. I thought you be yansha nyama so youth employment agency NDC for a confirm me boa e ko bi na confirm ko Burkina Faso sebe kaya NDC ko die nya e pebre e wie ye nya no omu wie me boa ene sa youth employment o mu jaye me ya enya Samuel as board chairman na me see you ene ye dwa bro wo wanchi a ebro na fia ye twa atofu bi oba maso ye youth employment agency a normal innovations ye dia ba se be ya mobile menya edimo Ghana e bi sira under NDC no omu free say ye youth employment a job for the boys in Kwa and no more amotrasi omu kenti no more lutu no machine but ya natural mo se sebi ye kasa oku MPP a MPP ni bi o ti dem bia sebi wa bon kra te se ya ti ase na o hwe enoma ye de ba edikan ye say employment agency a sebi ewiasma fan na nyina ye ka employment agency a ye dwuma ko pa dwuma ma ni pa me boa enti ye de bi e friend job center aba Ghana me boa enya se obi wo fie no pa dwuma ya enya se bi adwuma na ba na Ghana hu ni no nko na me nya adwuma no ene why ye job center adwuma se ba ko pra Ghana fo nyina be won se adwuma we ene wo o ma pena na do dan ko kufu amamu a wo hihye no me modidie se enfie ense chi no amanfoɔ ebifra mo no ne de adwuma kɛse bɛba Ghana paa ɛnna me no ka sɛ Toyota ebie company wɔ Ghana Nissan ebie company wɔ Ghana Renault ebie company wɔ Ghana BMW ebie company wɔ Ghana sɛbi amamɔ na nya ɔmo baba ɛtɔ so biem saa company sɛ ɛbɛ nyinaa no ɔmo nya akɔfo a ɔmo na ɔmo yɛ adwuma ada wayɛ job center no saa akɔfo no yɛde mɛmɔ ɔmo amoma yɛ adwuma adeɛ baako a yɛde aba saa ɛbɛbɔ mmiri no ɛyɛ friend artisan directorate nsa no adwuma ho asɛm sɛbi Denmark ɛyɛ Denmark nyinaa no efi sɛ ɔmo mo ne kɔ amanfoɔ nsa no adwuma ho sɛ Ghana kwan kura ɛka sɛ obi yɛ carpenter obi yɛ mason a obi yɛ electrician a yɛfa no sɛ wankɔ school nanso so mu kurom ha no sɛ yɛka sɛ obi yɛ carpenter or electrician a ɛnyɛ hɔ aso ɔwɔ masters kora so dɛ adwuma ɔyɛ no no ɛnɛ hyɛ yɛde ba Ghana no yɛde tete mmeranteɛ no mmabaawa wɔ nsa no adwuma sɛ wankɔ school sɛ wankɔ school ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa yɛfɛ no flashing program Ghana nyame aboaeɛ ama yɛ asase nsuo tɔɔ hɔ wogya no bayɛ nanso so ɛnna nso ma pe na nadra nkɔkofoɔ a wɔyi nkɔfoɔ no dideti ɛku adwuma no mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa ne nkɔ ho ɛfiri sɛ ɛbɛyɛ nɔma mmiɛnsa wɔ nnɛ de si ho kwan ɛnna asase kwa ho asɛm ɛbɔ ɛwɔ soro wɔnya asase no kwa awie no nɔbayɛ anaasɛ fertilizers ne insecticides no bɛgu so kora ɛsikasɛ meboa ɛtɔ so nan wɔdua nɔbayɛ no a ɛfo a wɔatwa awie no ho a na ɛba bɛtɔ ama no ɛnam amammo papa na adanko akufo adede aba nti Youth Employment Agency ɛsi saa nɔma nan nyɛ afa hɔ ka yɛboa mmabuna mama kɔ efuku adwuma mu ɛna deɛ etwa to a ɛsɛ de aba a yɛfrɛ no work abroad program sɛbi abɛn bi ɛba apɛn so na Ghana fo tu kwan a ne mfa no nanso so ɔmampena na danko akufo ado amammu no yɛwɔ gyidie sɛ Ghana ni tu kwan a ɔyɛ ɔman ne de hyɛ enti ade nti na yɛntena ase yɛnhwɛ kwan a amanfoɔ fa tu kwan yɛn nso yɛmboa wɔn ɛnɛ Philippines ɛbɛyɛ Philippines nyinaa no ɛfiri sɛ ɔmo tumi tena ase ho sɛ saa yɛ mmeranteɛ mmabaawa yi mo tu kwan kɔyɛ adwuma wɔ baabi a ɔmo de sky dɛ ɛbɛbɔ ɔman no amammo no yɛpagya nanso yɛnya ndu baabi asi aduru nti ɛnyɛ den a ɛbɛtumi ama mmeranteɛ no mmabaawa bi a ɔbɛwie sukuu na ɔnyɛ adwuma yɛ dɛ ɛnyɛ yɛ ɛnɛ me ne ɔkasa yi wohwɛ kuro bi te sɛ Saudi Arabia Qatar ɔmo nyinaa mmeranteɛ no mmabaawa mo yɛ adwuma wɔ construction work ɔkɔ Canadafoɔ so ɔmo hia nurses France ehia nurses Equatorial Guinea so ɔmo hia English teachers Ghana etiri yɛ yɛwɔ kura atwa ho ahyia Togo Burkina Faso ɛna Ivory Coast ɔmo nyinaa ka French meboa afi biara no ɔmo de French students ɛba Ghana so ɔmo esua Borɔfo yiwa aso so yɛwɔ English teachers wɔ Ghana ha ɔmo nso so ɔmo nyɛ adwumayɛ enti under wayɛ work abroad program no yɛhwɛ baabi a Ghana yɛahoɔden wɔ ɛne ekura ɔmo nya saa ahoɔden no ne akɔmɔ saa akɔfɔ mama akɔyɛ adwuma amɔman sabi saa adewe no wonya aban a wodwene kɔ akyire a wotimi nyɛ apart from sɛ yɛka me deɛ okɔ asoɛ bebree a ɔmapɛna na danko agencies ya CEOs ɔyi ɔmo no baabia obiara de hyehyɛ foforɔ ɛdɛ ɛba me deɛ mo gyidie sɛ yɛn nyinaa no yɛtaa yɛkyi na yɛdwene kɔ yɛnim yɛhwɛ nɔma a ɛda yɛnim a yɛhu sɛ ampa sɛdeɛ ɔman no na ɛfiri baabi ne abɛdu baabi sesei afe biara no wotie Ghana living standard so bi ɔmo de ba ɔmo se mmerante mmabaawa 300,000 every year ɛna ɔmo join labor market ɔman a afi biara no wɔ mmerante mmabaawa 300,000 ɔmo join labor market no na ɛkyɛ sɛ asɛnkɛseɛ da so wɔ saa 300,000 no 2% pɛ ɛna afa adwuma ma fɔm 8% no ɛyɛ sɛ ankɔnkɔ adwuma na sɛ yɛboa ɔmo ɔmo ato yɛ bɔ adwuma ne nuanom saa ɛnɔma ɛda hɔ nyinaa na wahwɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ mfie wɔtwe na ba na aban ye no e di napco aba say napco e form mo di kanti fie no pa be 100,000 so that e be nye mo mo fie mo nya adwuma nye tie tie ase edumadi e kwa economy na e companies e ba no mo didie say by 2021-2022 no Ghana be ku ni pa eti ye frey nyam o Ghana ni no mo kasa aye church no mo so chiro say anya hwe kra no aban ne bon ho modern edina kwaba why ye for nipa aban so nurses for your form teacher for your form say bi ke dia bia bia twam care form a ene ka nipa fofo na yeden care form enam so obi anya na adwuma ye yes ye ne de ma no yes aban ye dia yen ka akwan wasem say bi akwan me de ka me fanya amayesem so NDC for trasa be a ambo mine. For one say kwa mo ye ho. Enye e kwa ni ho. Zero. Cheche ma wa busana. Wa ma ye kwa ma wa dia tu wa so ma ye. Baby a only place for me ye kwan e ya so ase. Oh, cheche ma ye busana. Reason o dey here ne say sebi aso ase to abama no. But ye kwan to chiro man sa. And then me no ka say minim hwekwa de wa obekọ kuma sese ko hwe aboabo airport kwan na ase kwan oba hwekwa da so kwan asopa TUC kwan KUS hwekwan so kwan ayeye wo ho sebi enya asante radio kwan computer radio kwan ndi strong je nyi o ma free. And then in 4 years, in 4 years, I find way at the free senior high school about where the not about we abandoned being
Okunkom said quite a lot. He did, but I'm very much interested in the YEA and the career fair that they did quite long ago. It means that even diaspora, we have a chance to serve in Ghana one way or the other, not just in the private, in the government, but in private sector. And that is what Okunkom and the team have been doing very well. Thank you very much. MP Infantima West, popularly and for your friend Asabi.
To our next door neighbors in Nigeria, in Togo, they're all over. So the party is vibrant. I've been told the money is a very important aspect of tonight, so I won't take too much long time. I've just been advised not to talk too long. But all I can say is that Ghana has come a long way. But there are few things that has gone wrong, and we need to get it back. And the only party that can put the country on track for better development and faster growth is the MPP. Simply put, if you take the 62 years of our independence, then just do the simple calculation. And let's even restrict to the NDC MPP era. The NDC has taken 27 years of our 62. 27 years. The NPP has taken only 13 or 12 and a half almost. And if you look at the 12 and a half, what we've done, and Justin went through, I don't want to go through the whole lot again. You all read the internet, you know what's going on in Ghana. So there's a lot more that we've achieved within that short space of time than those who came in earlier. And interestingly, I was part of the beginning of the PNDC in a way because I was a student leader and we were compelled to do cocoa evacuation. And I could tell you that they had no idea how to run the country. They didn't have any plan. As far as they're concerned, it is just to come and rip the country dry. And that's how it started. It's a gathering of people who didn't have a clue. And they just finished school and straight away into government. So they didn't have a clue how to run a business. They didn't have a clue how to manage people. They didn't have a clue how to even all they were concerned about is security and tightening up and running people away from Ghana if you challenge them. The culture of silence and all that. But the MPP came to rescue Ghana in 2000. Did a lot more than the NDC before him. The same. Well, the NDC are here. You know I don't lie. I'm very straightforward. You would know. Please let me finish. You would know that we have done far better than you started. So the point I'm making is that you are in a very good company as an MPP member. Listen to me carefully. Maybe you don't know about the NDC, so please, you may be a member, but you don't know. I did the Cocoa evacuation for General Rawlings, so I know. But I can tell you it was a gang of people who just came into power and no idea. But the point I'm making is that you are in good company. More Abaya or Nipa. MPP Abaya, they're June Nipa, you know more man. Company Akofado. And your ma or buy in fear me, aircom and Sandawa. May sometimes say I'm because I'm wanting any I did power the old man with the same MPP for Muti. MPP for Muti, Mamma will be a woman. NDC for Ebay, who is our mom, was the infrastructure. If Mamma says, whatever mom can have it, now NDC for the Hoppers of Messiah. A cameraman move through Mamma attention, so excuse me. Mr. Mahanti, the buy, no, the buy. Hello? Hello? You walk for no Mr. One of the papers, Dodgy, and I come on with investigation. I was saying, almost a day, you already. And the attention was a gun for, one power support. No, you need. You dismiss it. The man 4 years ago, Obisha no 7 man, now one is out. You get rid of it and run a country for the people who voted for you. You can't send your friend. What do you have to say? Your man fire, your man fire, now was him. What kind of people are you? And the American Cosia and some. I have no original, no, I'm a program. And the man, my leadership is some. All the people tell you. Animal be by hand with a slip or yet, Macacry about Denmark, the airport Sweden, airport Norway. Now, Madaruma, and then my son, I'm chairman, the more social from Chawa, no more than a Summit Simula. And see, you could do Sweden, and then program what Masayama. And I know for us, you saw, I think I want to buy. But also have me answer the more than I'm right to the buy because of program. Now, my baby, I'm the same time. Mama said, and you ma would share on my penny and I go for and I do down for Kufados and also. Mr. on Baba. Now, the year can now, or Bayer Manesi, most of 4 years no swan. The baby are on time, whom they will say, Ghana, would share why now, the Abdibet Church, what I say, Obia, Mamma, the normal and the Shikaka. And then my baby, Cosso, Yana baby, some say, your bad dear Bayer, and now a mobile acquired you my baby. Say, what do I sort of from one, and you might be baby. You support 2 private initiatives, Mutili, Yaya Bawi, Abaduma, Mr. If you are home by your head and credit, and find them my befriend and credit. Now, no question, say, Nipa, that's a Libiano, person here for initial private sectors. Or maybe a person called Utu and one, she private sector, how now we in the year, and profit small and medium sized businesses. My name is Mrs. Thatcher, Prime Minister Thatcher here in England. I was a special assistant. Margaret Thatcher concentrated on small and medium sized businesses. What now start here, offer the offer the downfall, Nipa 5, 10, 5, 10, me a friend Nipa Kakra, and she said, oh, BB, so, oh, my associate. Me I'm share state-owned enterprises in our house. Any state agencies. It is our BBA. There were businesses you perceive a link up with Ghanaian counterparts. Somebody say the local content somebody now. You now your investment promotion. You got two businesses you know pursue Beshia. You pegan and ya obey na partner. Send a bear be na say the Padina or the Bado or the or Chama now was most surely. No asana pass it over to you. So what it's here no say we are now to me link here. Now me asotia. Na bibi basa no fi dem maka na ya fra na woni na ba na tete oya no de ja anambwa aha na wo so ko ni e ti me kasa nche e kasa no na dem ba ye na mi nua no mani si boro ma mo anya de na ye bo no wanti mi na Ghana fo yi bu fri ho na Ghana fo de ahye na na ku fa do sa on pa ni pa no mo ye duma no ye bu so ye e nya be do ma 2020 e be sa win election
mother who represents and take care of us in the Scandinavian countries. I think when I say the Scandinavian countries, we actually know who I'm actually talking about. The ambassador that represents our interest. The ambassador is the president's representative for us in the Scandinavian countries. This is our mom that doesn't need any introduction to any of us. Mrs. Ewa Asamoah. Doctor.
The national organizer, Sami Ewuku, representatives from the various countries, the chairman of Denmark NPP. It is a privilege and a pleasure to be here this evening, and very honored to be the special guest for this evening's function. This is a very important function. We are here to raise funds for our upcoming elections, which you know definitely that victory is going to be ours. Yempeni for akasa. Oma kanema bebre. Na mejina eneti. Enti yehia mu ha. Yes, mobilizing Ghanaians in the diaspora for national development. Mobilizing Ghanaian diaspora for national development. So they call yekasa mu a. Say ye besi aboa ye nyanoma wabeka amanone na makwa efie mpuntuduma ye papa ye bibia ye panyi omanpanyi na do danka akufuado oye so kumkom ayati niema efie kakra yi ye do ofie Minim sabu nyina susu munim niema ekoso flagship program aye pese ye move Ghana beyond aid na wo hwe niema ye wo Ghana na ye ntimu nye abra ye nuanu a wo amanone pepa chomu ya so na muntie mi ye nuanu a wa amanone mo nka mo ye jabo chira enye if you say you share your mom, we are a sobo. Why you never be brave? Now say no, moving Ghana beyond aid or building Ghana beyond aid. You say, yeah, per practice. normal Bible boy. Said Honorable Asabi Kaino. This week, 35 member delegation, businessmen, Muamuni, Omuni Mushia, Omefi Ghana by led by Yofi Grants, IMP investors. Investors now pedal, and yet only foreign investors. Yet then your power, one person and one way partners, and the Ghana for Maba Betnaha. Denmark, we have a lot of intellectuals. Now, Obi Bisa say, Ghana for our higher say, a school, and I'm cancer. Most of the people here, they come because of school. And she say, I can't, or more, and some Juma, and Siapa research, BBR, Scandinavian countries. Ghana for Hano, would you move up to me? Now, the sense is a Messiah, the Cobwa, your mind Ghana, they are not see a bois, Guamano. I have the pan say, not one is share, you know, Ghana for be great by it. Your cost Sweden, if you Sweden, so many honorable Yabano pay. Because me Timu Casasa, my dear, will ye or Copenhagen, not make the one man baby. And he has traveled, and you have a brave cost of fear, ye young more, ye young green trend, ye here, said the bench, went to be moved from my church for Lema. I see it gurus with brave or hat. And you are crying some back. Ghana, who bet my aye, or Hannah, why a yama will fee. 8 years travel. Sir, who bet a come home a boom. A year pa, ye can't Ghana Union as summer, and I said not in the Montiasia. But I am they said, Scandinavian countries, sir. Uko Babia Ghana follow Abwa. Denmark, now you are Canaan, I see Yakoka. Na mi wa rehwemu se niema ya start wo fie no ye mu binum bekọ na o ma pa akọboa me na mi si o ma pania na mu wo ha se de mi mu ba bia amako bia meka no say as a mission we have an open door policy. Come to us, let us dialogue. Bibia mo pesa bo yesi ebetimi aboa mo ko a why not e beboa na mefa kwenye nsusu na masre say ye pen kabomu wantwi ne ma no eboa wo kwan bebre so ye nyina ye nipa ba ko MPP bibi de besi entemu a ye ka ti say abusuafo na bibi e beba no ma MPP every not an individual na obewene. Because at the end of the day, ye hear nipa. Enti misremo, Scandinavian countries abe bia wentu ano. Besremo ma ye nhwe. Ye beko election year. Na ye ti munye ne ye. Na bibia anko so wa. Be wa rehwemu se na ye be free ha no. Na fundraising na ye be ye no. Ye ye sika kakra fa ya. Ye be ti mu di akọboa. Me kasa bebre em say be the man be si ha na madam ase respect amodi amami na ma frame na madam organizers no so ase na madam ye national organizer and you could come and honorable Asabi almost so obodo ma no nyam ababe tai ye dwumadie echi me da mu nyina ase me da ase.
The man that doesn't need introduction, or no? Anna, or say, boys are bread. Mr. Mara, Martin, boys are bread. Matthew, boys are bread. Yes, so Kasa. Sanity. Right, it's in the offense of fine doing your best friend, your national organizer, the former youth organizer, or a former youth organizer, or no, and the board chairman of YEA. Honorable Sami Awuku.
Your Excellency, your mame, Amele Oleno, and Gua Samoa. Many a penny name offer, the Honorable Stephen Asamoah Boateng, YE Chief Executive, Host Chairman, Denmark Chairman. I know the Obana wanted to be a Chokra, Obey Steady, Spain Chairman, Nana Martina Kunya. NPP Denmark, NPP Finland, NPP Germany, NPP UK, NPP Hungary, NPP Austria, and I also NPP Ghana, and NPP Sweden. Some are both Spain for another. And my Finland. Hungary, them are what that. And MPP Hungary. You can't be a hungry man in Hungary. Every year for Meden Chaka said if you got a man penny or the Brem. It's a Brem and another Danko for the Bremen since you man Sanwaha. On His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Ghana Mampenia Bediache, and a Chairman Freddie Wasimeu Blade. And I'm a boss, General Secretary John Boyd. And the NPP calling na Yasia Mamuchinkwa, say the Mountains are friend. Let me just say, me buy. Give me a penny on our Stephen Asamoah Boateng on a party where the Munti Timai, Ogusudi Munti Timai, on Oswaka Sabebre. Now, a naming were 2 duties to perform. A some day, Yamani be a organ and be back catch them. Now, faces of me, Buana, ye no great movements went. Now, Mama kids, Jem 4, next week, and on your National Women's Conference. Tino went to Myanmar. Tia no count be na jama boa ba be jina na name so ama no ba cho ensa no de mu hold on kakra go for cover speed abuche barman hold on ebi mo ye di anim kan too much ye na so ya ba se ya be no masa kukudu I was a for me one. You know, I was here between and Biniasa. Now, overspeed a bemwa. Now, you're quite sorry, say you're very heavy. Now, consider the world heavy in your couple list one could. For Bible, I don't pass as 1 year. We are just evidence spreading was on pass. Tell your hold on, Kaka. Another Matina Kunya, any Ghana for SGM. The man am the Biafra because my own say Ghana for no say be color a difference here what them want. So your mom woman send if I saw and I for but the dedication one say more than a fra. It's a one am the Biafra. Sabio 2016 you do a man for so near Kaya. Emra na ye call elections. Na Ghana for dodo na mani da so ne se nkansesa beba. Wadaro ma meni nsam. Ma ho den mo granhyesem and the pressure mo de to Ghana for so a ewo Ghana. Say one more NPP na incessant in ba. Ye call elections no with a message and the promises. And also NPP manifesto and they call it in 2016. They are satisfied almost 86% of our manifesto promises. Chance Ghana yet to set Denmark and answer Copenhagen, and answer Vienna and answer Berlin. But the woman also say, yes, only we are moving from one step to the other. Here another door now because Rome was not built in a day. But if the builders of Rome were stealing the building materials, Rome would never have been built. That castle or back. Now your mistakes been to Obaba the correct here. Never be break yeah. Now on my drobin no me no no ye Ghana man penny. Mo credit no brand me no me. One try every decisions we will take here train on my corner. By more na ye promise here the free SHS Baba Mekai in 2012. NDC had 36 adverts against one advert of the MPP free SHS in 2012. 2016, Yako Abato, NPP says you're winning elections are within the first 18 months, you're being introduced to free SHS. NDC catcher say it will take us 20 years and some you're implementing free SHS. Tikasi about John Kufo Niaketo and another Danko Kufuado. You buy within the first year you're implementing free SHS, you have for 20 years. You can't say, Son, you bear Kriayo, a bit me a conanim. See, you buy a the one village, one dam. They promote irrigation and then mechanized farming. And this is for catcher and say, you to 2 dams and I did a bebwa irrigation up and I see the Tonton Bebagana. That means some more records and the numbers of mosquitoes and war mining and another increase over time. And I know over 360 of these. One village, one dam, you are constructing. You started, say, one district, one factory. You started from the first year. Now, many of the foundation and another dam could go for the NPP and lay. And now here we and a Ghana for best start here more and as we speak, you started your rice growing any production. And then we say. And the Ghana phone Nigeria says it's about time I guess you may be made in Ghana rights. All these things create employment. In 2015, you imported broadier at the neighboring Ivory Coast. And you had the back Ghana here. The Ivory Coast last month, we imported broadier for Ghana at the Ivory Coast. Under the planting of food jobs. I was here, and I will be funny. Black and white, MSSI and color TV. Now, and will be paid once a while, or to get a bar, where in any atom chair. Media and the NPP Kono, we are clear in our minds, say elections now are going 2020. It's a battle between the kingdom of God and the kingdom of darkness. And there will be no demilitarized zone. It's either it belongs to God's side or the other side. Now, we believe say we belong to God's side. Because I did be about one Nippon on a Pomude, the Kanko, and the Babuana Management season, what we are contributing to nation building. That is what the NPP stands for. And man, John Ajekunku for time, National Health Insurance ever. Here, the animal and your more Ghana, a boycott to the passage of the health insurance bill. As any other buy, Kufo for free maternal care buy. Yenam catches and the Ashawo Ghana. And so a production level now. And this is for man they take advantage more over the free maternal care. Hey, family planning. Yeah, family planning. No more be a gate. And then free SHS. Oh, short time I could afford the free maternal care buy. Now calculating years and one. Who wants a moon colana baby no more free SHS first year, second year. Bibia, boy, the baby almost here yet. As we're born, Quadia. You can't see the school feeding program, Beba and Kufo. I'm saying, no. Yogabra also is canon Kofaway. The school feeding a buy, almost the new school, some women's organizers. Yeah, the idea never benefiting. NPP, you buy a year, you can say, you see the medical drone services. say onto ambulance ukofa drone owaka obi wa from place na ambulance ebetu afawiem na kudu ho no mu anase de and Ghana's drone service no and he is being hailed as one of the best in the world. It's by an African country. And it's here no man work into him. Unfortunately for mono news na ya na moti ni mienu moti fake news and I'm moti na obi so catch him. And also internet is where there's competition between fake news and real news. Na esan say obi betimi atwa trauma and no crasity. One way and why confused. President John Mahama, he's one of the luckiest politicians in Ghana. We're the assemblyman, we're the presiding member, we're the member of parliament, we're the deputy minister, we're the minister of state, we're the vice president, we're the president. Namasa Ghana ni yaboma unkwa. No be any son no be mu be do even half. So be pay be atena kakra. The only position on the UN Secretary General no so any etwaba. O dey when the one from Basico be the woman penny. Ame asa akwa. Dispatch rider say do when ma dey okotina fie moto 7 say aka 1 na o dey wa fe o person samba. Na kwa pia na boa nyesa. And until year 2020, Tiano Bomb and to be year 2020, we are TC from 1st January. Samia, I want baby a children. Best son in Oha. Manim Ferrienti, and then I will walk from here. I want to fake grand and I'm quite sober. Now, say I make us a Manim Ferry and then Senia Moto Monsafre, and no man DC for you. Many out way the channel. I don't think I'm a buy a person may savage butchery, may minor surgery. That will matters now. From January, the savage butchery next 1 year, yes. Yeah, Denmark for Yaboyega NPP. NSA NDC. The moment baby. Now Benjamin Chester beside me who Benjamin and Chester beside me. See, I don't know the old bad when you can cry, you prove with him, or that them was a jack for Foroma was here. Yentia venue, yentia lighting, yentia food. Now them baby I was at my chair. Copenhagen. Kukudu. And I come Kuntia and Asabi Kasana Weja. Asabi. It's a new ferry in here. I know. And then by Mumukum, I'm gentle, Tina the gentle abbey. I mean, for the copy in the sa, and then Kakum fire, Kum, yeah, I say. It's Assemble 2011. They call NDC Omoba Fonka Games. Between Saddam and Olunka, Nana Kunedune Mills there. Said there, Fonka Games. Now, and yes, so be say, yeah, quiet, ya Casseria, no, so, ya Casseria, ya Konomoto program, so. Who trust a grand and wait here be a come home? Yeah, the German from my farm home, what transit, most of them we are Cacras, so many ajib. Who opposition won't tell young papa tears out. DJ no bar what 10 seconds will do was will be back as a Kaka. What about government program, Jack Namos Mal and Dr. Kaka. Back to the issue. Aye. Back to issue in Jamaica. Ambassador Akasa can send business one now a day in Nayakumaso. And that is NPP Denmark. priority back way. Let me pay glowing tribute to your chairman, executives, Nabuafo, Emu welfare, Emu patrons, Emu elders. Now, me about 2 months ago. Anyone believe Komokaka. Now, I'm happy so say, let me have a join him one day. And now, no Panama water chima near Nasara conference. If you about 1 p.m., you're driving straight by 7 hours to Accra. Who don't see we have to catch a flight and be in Copenhagen. It's a chance, yes, we are not embracing any more. Take advantage of the opportunities back home. Because north, south, east, and west home is the best. So, Kuntuhaya, Chiano Sanko. Into as investment opportunities, any Ghana and penny for so bad on the motion common. Yes, you want to say it's a sacred duty, say. No, dear, they are Kotokoso, yet, and abroad. Now, be a Benyabiso Betim, they are Kofi Akobwa, the development of our country. Yes, so you take advantage of it. We want the Denmark brand to be a model for the branches across the world. And we believe, sir, with the expertise and with the caliber of people we have in NPP Denmark, I'm particularly excited to see the numbers here. I knew it was going to be a good program, but I never expected it to be this very big. My idea, I've got programs very. Last month I was in Ivory Coast to also re-energize the NPP's branch in Ivory Coast as national organizer. Now with the branch here, in Norway. Finland for the program, Stockholm, Scotland, Sweden for also here Jumabo. Now yet we build a very strong NPP base in the Nordic areas and Scandinavia. I think it's you can't to have one big program even in 2020. Another matter, we won't always get it right, but we won't deliberately get it wrong. To say a phone so I'm not here. Send a man, and I be shaking you on top on. I had no beer any doubt. Wadaroma, yes, one more than Kakra. No matter, executives there one is a very young executive body. Now, Mama Niju on said they are also determined to carry the spirit of the party to everywhere across Denmark. She also recognizes Mampani didn't be see us so much Ghana phone name. Mampani is also a party being a boy we are by to Abaman Baby Mampani. Tiama also recognizes as long as why entire now Mampani vision for Ghana for it to Denmark and realizing. Now yes, she will be Pafi and I mean say on Sujana is one there. And the evidence will say the buyer the show done the kind of wind blowing in this room. It gives me hope and confidence. Hear your door and the idea you'll get somewhere. And they say we inaugurated women's swing now. Send a man kids catch them. I say every woman or every part of the NPP Denmark branch. If you say I'm a fair woman, so no one now be begging. The woman they catch them. No one now begging here. Now what two men organizers also can be Kakra. Now after today, problem be a women's swing here. Me as national organizer, me 2 minutes so the next time I'll be women's swing meeting. We were well coordinated women's swing. And now we also saw us in 16 Green Book on the bar now. Picture won't be actually Ghana playing Green Book no. That picture be a womb actually Ghana playing area. In fact, maybe feasting region. Me who are from place picture a Green Book name. And then the air bridge be a so from a from place about a betifiachi one. Just say, oh my bridge, I will book nimo. And they are see the other side. It is me who book Mudiano. And Penifona me did say the whole reality is what Casanity. One of them who said it's only and then this. And they catch almost say catch you say artist impression. Yeah, come on with your mafia so. say the old book ni mo a artist impression omo kan che se na ya de o maye enunti me hu e kwan e wo na me from pani ba ko a na wa ba mu a we funa say na kwan we e wo book na mo o say o bra de o ha de o chance o ye say artist impression iti chance enye se NPP buy no na ye fa so rere kwan ni so te se kwan no na enye deda Benjamin Chadie ye nya abaya odwen nipa kanko or also doing the future of our country in the most profound way. And then we can say many of the rules no ye the amount contract. And then say what the vice president can work at so Cape Coastal rules or my Eastern Corridor rules. But I can say Tamale so they are starting on overhead and across. But they are very good said the MPP government decided say regardless of the situation we find ourselves in. So your country cannot open. Economy no employee. In the entire Bayechi, you did say Abaya say one on your side to no man another term. Or the Ghana big baby. So Kata Wenia. Now, Jim Baby, our president, before the 2 years, somewhere in 2008. Nebusa won say, Anka president, before fees on NPP twice, and you're doing. But they just ask yourself. And now, President, before fees on Satan and I said the free SHL Babao. And can they do it? You can't say that there will be one district, one factory after 4208. Can they do it? Intimania is Ramo. Baby, I don't know. Bible mu kransi ba so bia be di hene kwasaba. Bible. Bible aye na aye da no and see wo mu da from King Nebuchadnezzar breso abesi King David. And see that. So bia be di hene o. Our Bible. Yes, you cry about some challenge, and Yakubo was some challenge or to know by Amana back. Intimacy, Mommy, and now. Now, maybe never can say a man penny dada or bow with issues, you never become issues. One good difference where no become different. The dead goat man is coming again. Let the people say never again. Yeah, never again. Yeah, yeah, never again. Yeah, never again. Yeah, yeah, never again. Let the people say never again.
Bonsem. Boys ya bless me ni mo akabe me ya. Se dia ya duro no mesre bebre boys ya brem patcho sign bra na me patcho sign bra na abe no great women swing no emayen na fe ye nya kwan enka skasem na enkraba ko a Council of Ghanaian Associations here what them mark higher day mau se ko catcher na Kufu Adomaye say ye maame ambassador ye ne betra ha ko ti say ono abeka say on person betra ko yen kra mama we only on betra mu say afebo na be fie so kakra I had not yet. One year the strategy they face you. And nothing like sure Obama, why you busy with one strategy of the face you. Anyway, I have a singular honor and duty. Semefre, a man in norm, part of the NPP Denmark Women's Wing. Until the lieutenants and I will need Denmark, the whole Berlin. Let me confuse you because Berlin and minimum near Denmark.
swing ɛwɔ Denmark mɛsrɛ pacho mobɛbɛ DJ kabɔ no bi kakra. The National Women Organizer of the NP. And I'm here with my name as Smart Kids, being the boss of the boss as National Organizer of the NP. Now, like I said, this women's wing, they are duly opened, duly recognized, and I thank you, not back to stay. This is an amazing opportunity that I'm down with you. I need back. Maru is a brand. Can we be Kaka and it's so on a mammy?
If you say Yamina, why am you and then now they are tossing me and do you just see that by her excellency. I'm Ghana, because my boy a chidom, what I am a and when you go now, Ghana by any Yadamasi. Yadas that sense of my chairman, if you say, or no sooner and Kaini. And my Radassi said, yeah, son to man. And the American said, 2020 Abana Yabatum. And next say, son to man, you will GP pass a back not 2020. I didn't get you hope you. That's Fachame, not Famisho, and Propobi or ha and neck, bear 3-4 days in it, or one night. Now, my start every kitchen staff, Sister Amma, Yaya, Mammy, Mama Sheila. Only 3 days or one night, Mama Samna. Your youth organizer, Mavis, Mama Samman. I baby, that's the organizer, secretary. Yes, I organizer say o me come me ho wa ha say na mo mo sam kase pa ma no she has been the backbone of me why are there mo mo sam ma mo nya why are there
my idea remember me I many about deputy and I face us the money and Montana Fefe Ivy and when you mom so come on, I'm a kid best you're not too man. What to na baby edu no me pacho me ma no ma mun konya ma ye be keska sem ebi mo ba o ma no bebre bi mu so ani bebre kwancha de efe no so no ye disika na ye na madam wase maru ene ayi ene mani nyina me share so in a different way. I want to thank all of you. Madam wase why na pacho mo tnase I don't know my months.
Edem Haji Sabre, Yaduska Samso. Yankotia Drumra, Nina, NPP, and do a tree, a Frenchie, and a Abedu Babia, Abedui. Na Ansana Mekania, Mebecano. A year Nana more at Tranconia, at sea, Mebincoso and Anamenin Samo. One more Akuna Swado. Na odisia nko a apoadwane anunti nananom so akeka wo monsase na sebe nananom de nka wo ye asansa wo fade a wo mfa ne bom ma sami oku aka awo asem bebre aha awo ne ye hwere wo ta ye beche nananom madawoma nia FPP executive say wo maso esanse mu ye mpaniti na yentime ankama samu tuganti na ya so adechia esie ene kenja eni asida se yadamase ensa obrempon ene efri nana antwibu abanso ekosi menu aba na ya adoma so ekosi ye emrante hene yenya yenyon Kofi Gebu adechia esie ene kenja eni asida yadamase sanya mede kan no de hia nko akwadwane ya maame aye ne ti ha ya maame aye ne ti ha Mrs. H. Her Excellency maame ade achia MPP Denmark yese yɛda wase wo nso wama ne deɛ no abɛka yɛnsa yɛde nyame ɛda wase sabre sɛnea mede kan kaeɛ no MPP ɛnyɛ nnɛ MPP ne nana yɛfrɛ ne UP yɛfrɛ MPP ne nana UP yɛka UP a yɛnyinaa yɛnim saa t-shirt yi mepɛ obi a ɔwɔ ɛdɛm ha MPP da n'akoma so nea yɛnnua bɛma Samia Okubeka yɛnyinaa onim na wate na wahu na waso ahwɛ na onim sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ memfa nkɔ akyiri 2,000 euros 2,000 munya kroma yɛwɔ sika ada no monyɛ saa na yɛnka asɛm nkyerɛ no ansa no wakɔnkran matiso meka 10,000 na 10,000 a meka meat pie ayo obi anu ma o say dos meat pie so no yamfa nsuo na ye o matiso mo de 5,000 pe 10 5,000 obi a meyi ba 5,000 MPP for penny for amokro ma mo kasa o Bonsema chairman ma Bonsema chairman Glasgow Bonsema minyon short man Bonsema 5,000 Bonsem adiachia 5,000 Danish krona adiachia yedi nyamedo ase chairman say Domasi chairman ayi baako yenua Billy ono so ayi baako se akoso akasai sabre ya ye twen 5,000 for no yenua no mo fi Yuland buy yeni aso enye Copenhagen for nko na wo dem ha yenua no bi fi Yuland yenua no mo amotwa nsuo ya ba ha nyina yeni aso we are very grateful to see your presence, especially yenua no so a mo fi Sweden Malmo ebae one particular person Mrs. Akufu wonso yada wase bebre ade ye no ko mu ache yada wase aka 4 akosi agina haye na sanya wani hwe ha no aka 4 mepam to bebre mu meyi ni anya ne anko awo no ewo krom ha ya na ntem ade be kina anan asensen okay matiso aba 4,000 Danish krona MPP t-shirt 4,000 MPP penifo amu okroma obi ayina ni hwe ni telephone so aho na scan wo yaji mobile pay so yaji mobile pay e okroma 4,000 Bonsema Kwame of UK matime hofo no also pelage matime ho deal or no deal the TV or the cash in the mind. Thank you very much. Most Matimo Kra Mobua, dear Mamon Konda. Thank you very much. Senior Medica Kaino. There were 279 constituencies in the world, Ghana. Say a Nipa 5 Biamo Kamo Bomwa, Mobetia constituency Bakunka, constituency Biana Boyadi, 2,000. Every constituency of Ghana may turn back for 2,000 for NPP 2020. I don't see Sabre Uwaha to bottom and come to me. Semna Mumbra Namu Mejinianko Moyache Bonsema Boys Yabre Bonsema Boys Yabre Bonsema Yambema aha Okumkom Asabi Bonsem Bonsam. Afe Sabre, Mr. Kofi DJ. Mame Edumwa, Emuoshi, a man tape, a sorry dum. Is our so sorry dum. Aha. Now, Mufa, I didn't see a mama. Me penny pack 20, or be done 1,000 krona. 1,000 20 now. Sorry for. Dino, Obia, sorry. It's a say you have come table to table. Send ya me frey, ye my Obia Codin and Bianano, Sa Pepe, na me sign Afreno. Covi, Magamonco, Medifi, table ya, a walk anymore. Mona would be first. Obia, sorry. Ye Conisa, Cositri, yet ye Finoa, and your Babesia. Table to table. Obia, sorry. It's a beard, some Bodia. Table to table. One more height now. Says, can now go to one. Oh, my mobile money, I bet it. The factor, I have put now. Obia, dear. Obia, sorry. Table to table. Mobile pay number 49155. 49155. Mobile money 49155. The control sorry. Spain, Austria, Germany. Austria, Spain, Germany, Hungary. The control will be answered. At least if one more now. At least if one is sorry. At least if one is sorry. Hungary, 200 euros. Spain, 200 euros. Give me a member a percentage or also 2,000 Danish crowns. Yes, I must say. So people are going to come. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh,
Anunti, Ochina Pesia, now, Ochina Pesia, now, 29, reference on the 1st of December. One more call and I'm sorry. Thanksgiving service, our Presbyterian Church. On the 1st of December, before said, oh, yeah, sorry, our Presby, our Gottes Gale, number 109, Gottes Gale, 109. Support a hope, no port, a hope, that we are taking the